Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp. Today I'm going to teach you how to set out of stock message for WooCommerce product. Click on plugins and select add new option. In search box write out of stock. This will list all the plugins related to out of stock product message. Here select out of stock message for WooCommerce. This plugin is totally free. Click on install now button. After installation, click on Activate button. Now click on Settings option of this plugin. This will open Inventory tab of WooCommerce plugin. In this message box, you can write your own message like stock of this product is sold out. Next stock will be updated on next week. In out of stock BG color, you can select the background color of message box. I am selecting red color for this box. In out of stock text color, you can select the color of text which you have written in out of stock message box. You can enable or disable stock out badge on product by checking it. You can change badge text to in this box. In badge BG color, you can change the color of badge on product. Same as it is, change text color to for sold out badge. You can hide sale badge when product is sold out. Here in select list, you can select the display position of out of stock message on product page. Just select the location from this list and it will start displaying on given position. Check this option if you want to enable low stock notification and out of stock notification. If you don't want to show out of stock products, then check on this box. In stock display format, select the format from list like 12 stock available. And click Save Changes button. I am giving you live example. Open any product like I am opening beanie with logo product. Scroll down and select Inventory option on left sidebar. Enable Manage Stock option from here. Here you can see stock quantity is 0. It means it is out of stock. Scroll down and see you can write individual out of stock message in this box. For example, this product has been sold out. Next stock will be available soon. This message will be only visible on this product. Second option is we can use global message which we mentioned in inventory tab. Just select this option and global message will be shown on product page. Let's update this product and see final result. So you can see our global message that we written in inventory tab is showing here. Let me show you how this works. Opening settings of out of stock message plugin. Now updating message like this. Click on Save Changes button and this message will be shown on out of stock product page. Finally, it updated a new message on product pages. You can customize colors from settings. See, it changed its background color. I hope this video will help you to update out of stock message on product pages. If you like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel for latest updates. Thank you.